I am downtown Kingston, Jamaica, and dogs mingling with food on the street. There are more sellers than buyers. Garbage are packed up everywhere. There are no walking space. The vehicles are going to and fro, and you have nowhere to walk because garbage take over the sidewalk. People that are selling the igglers, as they're called, took over the sidewalks, and there are no place to put your feet to walk. You have to be skipping all over, and on top of that, dirty waters are everywhere. Sewage water popped up from I don't know where, and you have to be taking a detour to get past the streets of downtown Kingston. Let me tell you, you have to check back for part 2 of this shopping with me in downtown Kingston, Jamaica, in the marketplace, trying to get some food to buy to make sure that I survive what is happening. And I am telling you, only the fittest of the fittest will survive what is happening down here in Jamaica. Let me tell you, it is ridiculous. You gotta check back for part 2 of me shopping downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.